Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OBS Studio to YouTube Live for streaming. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open OBS Studio on your computer. Go to the settings menu in the lower right corner of the OBS interface. In the settings menu, select the stream tab on the left side. From the service drop-down menu, choose YouTube/YouTube Gaming. Next, you will need your stream key from YouTube. Open your web browser and navigate to YouTube. Sign in to your YouTube account if you haven't already. Click on the camera icon in the upper right corner and select Go Live. This will take you to the YouTube Live dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the Stream Settings section on the left. Here, you will find your stream key. Click on the Copy button next to the stream key. Return to OBS Studio and paste the stream key into the stream key field in the settings. Ensure that the Use Stream Key option is selected. Once done, click the Apply button, then click OK to exit the settings menu. Now, configure your scene in OBS Studio. Add any sources you want, such as a video capture device or display capture. Once everything is set up, click the Start Streaming button in OBS. Return to the YouTube Live dashboard to see your stream preview. You can adjust settings or add a title and description for your stream. When you're ready to go live, click the Go Live button on YouTube. Your stream is now live and being broadcasted on your YouTube channel. Monitor the chat and stream health from the YouTube dashboard as you go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.